Good luck.
Sun-powered car gets 1,500 miles of free energy every year. We're talking about solar panels. This is from Fisker. You know Fisker. Fisker put out that really wild-looking car, the Karma.
Yeah.
Where it was like low and sporty looking. And I think Justin Bieber had one, a chrome one or something like that. But they had issues. The company had issues. The car had issues. The company had issues. And they were like, no, we're not done. We're coming back. Electric cars. This approach offers the opportunity to increase sales and shift vehicles to whichever market has the strongest growth. Of course, I guess they're talking about solar. Here you have the vehicle called the Ocean. They go to more towards the SUV. Now you're remembering. Well, I see you nodding over there.
No, my buddy wanted to get it. But does it have a good track record? I don't remember.
The company? No, the company was in trouble in the past.
Yeah.
But they claim they got it all figured out. Well,
I've never seen them on the road. I think of maybe once.
A Karma?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. No.
Are they
that was not
prevalent or no?
No, that was not a mass market. It was in and it was out. Electric vehicle maker Fisker is helping to power its Ocean SUV with the sun. The EV automaker is unique in part because of the solar panels on the roof of its vehicles, which help charge the batteries. Fisker uses recycled materials throughout the design, including crafting the car's carpet and fabric out of plastic bottles. The solar charge is built to add up to 1,500 miles of total driving range per year. It's not a tremendous amount, but that's some free miles for you there, Will.
Not bad.
Under ideal conditions, the company's innovations, a warming EV market, and anticipated big news this year from Fisker has the business making waves on Wall Street. Get a couple of shares for yourself there, Will. And now they're being a little more practical as well. They're like, forget about that low, sporty-looking thing. People want the SUVs. So far, the company has been meeting its production goals, meaning the Ocean could soon be on the streets and around the city and country, and the water appears to be warming for EVs in general. The company lists the Ocean at a starting price of $37,499. The Pear, its smaller SUV model, is forecast to start at $29,900. Come on, Will. 350 miles? That can hit 60 miles in 3.6 seconds. Come on, Will.
That's speedy.
Come on, Will.
Yeah, I got an EV already.
Let's take a couple more looks at this Ocean right here. Images. Fisker Ocean. There you go. Come on, Will.
Yeah.
Come on, Will.
It's not bad. It's got a solar panel roof there.
You guys spin around in that? You could go for a spin, can't you?
It's not bad.
All right.
Let me see the Pear here.
You want the Pear? You want the smaller one?
Okay.
Which one you want? The Pear or the Ocean?
I want this one.
Yeah, that's an actual pear. Sick.